Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 23rd. Hope everybody had a great weekend, and I will be continuing on my kitchen batch of CPM 154. So I did get a little progress done on Saturday, not a lot, but a little bit. I did try a little sandblasting with the new medium we have. It didn't do what I needed it to do, so I'm gonna do a bit more shiny, and then I will start doing grind lines as well. It's a dual stage acid wash, so I'm looking for a little bit of that variegation in color. It'll help accentuate that two stage that I'm going to be doing, but I still want them, nice and flat, etc. So I like starting with a nice clean base. So I will continue on these knives today. The handles are ready for drilling, so as soon as the blades are ready, I will be able to start drilling, and I'll be able to get the handles on within an hour or so. So really, that's my plan today. Obviously, I've got some admin to do. It's Tuesday. I've already done part of it. I came in early because I really want to get the handles on these knives. So I knocked out a lot of the admin, but I do have more to do. So that's really my day, and here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey everyone, just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I've got everything up to start polishing. I've been doing so, just gonna be on the buffers for the most part today, getting these guys up and then into any other projects I've got in front of me. That's gonna be the majority of my day. I know I'm keeping it kind of quick just so I don't let the time run too long. It is Tuesday, so we do have industry sharpening as well. We're now gonna go in our favorite spot with our favorite guy. Russell, what's up, buddy?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about a knife that we just got in on consignment. This is a Three Rivers Manufacturing, or TRM, their Atom liner lock. So this one is in the textured gray G10 with CPM 20 CV blade. All the hardware is titanium, I believe. And it's one of the early production models that came with these little rubber O-rings on the thumb stud. They are removable. It does come with extra. The customer really liked that feel and wanted to make sure he had more of them. So just nice. I'd call it a spear point. I believe they call it a drop point, but honestly, I'd say that's more of a spear point. It does come brand new in box with all the swag in there. There's some stickers and some other TRM swag. It is made completely in the USA, proudly represented on the blade, and so it is up and available for sale if you're looking for one. From the research we did, there is not many of them in stock anywhere else in the country, so if you're looking for one, you can pick it up.
Right on, y'all. Well, we'll wrap it up here and start off the week. See you tomorrow.